Hey, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. Today I'm going to take a look at the Grillfloss grill cleaner. This is kind of unique as it is one of those that you don't need bristles with, and it cleans each individual piece of grill by itself. So we're going to check this out. It comes with multiple pieces here for different size rods on your grate. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, take a look at it, see if it does a good job. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, guys, so the big deal with this is there's no bristles, and bristles can fall off of the grill brushes and get in your food and cause a really issue with health issues. So one of the things about this, I wanted to see how easy it was to change the sizes. I have multiple grills, so I would need to change this pretty much using it from grill to grill. But if you only have one grill, you only have to change it once. But it does work really well. One of the things I like is it gets the whole entire grate rod that you can go all the way around at 360 degrees. So it really cleans all the junk off of there pretty easy. It doesn't take quite as long as I thought it would. Once you get it, run it down there, it doesn't take long at all because you don't need to go multiple times. If you can tell here, it will actually take off rust. I've had this grate, was only sitting here for a week, but I'm in Florida, so I get rust on my grate sometimes, and it takes it off with ease. So really those big chunks and stuff that would normally you would have to flip your grate over, it does easy. And as you can tell here, this is a cast iron grate that's kind of an odd shape. I'm using the extra large one on this. It works pretty good. Not quite as good as it would on a round one, but check it out, guys. The Grillfloss is actually something that will really work well for you. Thanks for watching.